All right, so here's our next installment. Look at these. We have everything on one side, it's equal to 0. So how did I say we're going to do this? By combining our like terms. I have two items here, two terms that have variables in them. So let's put those two together first. 2x and a 4x, they're both positive, so that gives me 6x. Next, I have a -8 and a +20. Those are my two constants. I want to make sure that I put those two together. Since they have different signs, I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. That gives me +12, and that's equal to 0. Now, if you look at this, this looks like the very first set that we did. I have a variable on the left. I need to put my constant on the right. So how do I do that? By doing the opposite. Very good. So I'm going to do the opposite by subtracting 12 to the other side. And when I do that, my 6x comes down here because I haven't used it yet. My +12 and my -12 are opposites, so they equal 0. And then 0, -12 gives me -12. So now I'm down to a one-step equation. My one-step equation says 6x is equal to -12. So how do I undo that? By doing division, because division is the opposite of multiplication. So 6 divided by 6 is 1, so that would be 1x. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and that's negative, so it's -2. So my solution is -2. And again, once I'm done doing all these types of equations, I'm going to go back and show you how to check a couple of them so that you can do it on your own. All right, let's look at the next one. So our next one has -4x and a +10x. Those are my two terms that have variables in them, so let's put those two together. They have different signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, which is 6x. Then I have two constants, which would be +5, -23. I want to put those two together. They have different signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the bigger number, which in this case is a negative. So 23 take away 5, that should give me 18, and it's negative. So now again, I'm down to a two-step equation, and I want to go ahead and solve it by moving the constant to the other side. I move the constant to the right by doing the opposite, which is addition. I'm going to bring my 6x down. So here I go, 6x. These two add up to be 0, so I just crossed them off. And the 0 plus 18, that's 18. So then I'm down to a one-step equation. I get 6x is equal to 18. So I do division because division is the opposite of multiplication. And 6 divided by 6 is just 1, so that's 1x. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and everything's positive, so I'm done with that. All right, so that's yet another style of multi-step equations. Remember, I said I'm going to show you as many as I possibly can. Okay, so come back and we're going to do two other ones, okay? Thank you.